Goddesno 360 in the shop today. We got a crank no start, custom replace fuel filters. So whenever I have a crank no start on these, I always start with the oil level. Check it, make sure it's up where it needs to be. This one is good. Then I pull the fuel filter out. The fuel bowl was empty. It should have been full. It was empty, so I go in, cycle the key, come back with the fuel filter out. Fuel bowl is not filling up, therefore we're not pumping fuel. So I back probe the pump at the plug, back probe the plug, double check, verify that we have battery power there, and there is battery power, but we're still not getting fuel.